Welcome to our journey through Amazonas, one of the largest and most fascinating states in Brazil. Here, where the mighty Amazon River carves its path through the heart of South America, lies a realm teeming with life in its most vibrant and untamed forms. Known for its immense natural beauty and diverse ecosystems, Amazonas is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Prepare to be captivated by a world where the rainforest reigns supreme, its emerald canopy stretching as far as the eye can see.
We begin our exploration in the very heart of Amazonas, the Amazon rainforest. This vast and vibrant ecosystem is often referred to as the lungs of our planet, and for good reason. It is a place of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity, a living testament to the power and resilience of nature. Often described as the lungs of our planet, the Amazon rainforest is a crucial component of Earth's ecological balance. It is a place where life thrives in abundance, and every inch of this forest is teeming with activity. This immense expanse of trees generates a staggering 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon's trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, playing a vital role in regulating the Earth's atmosphere. Without this natural process, our planet would be a very different place. Every breath we take is a testament to the vital role this rainforest plays in the delicate balance of our planet. The air we breathe, the climate we experience, and the water we drink are all influenced by the health of the Amazon. But the Amazon is far more than just a vast expanse of trees. It is a living, breathing entity, a complex and interconnected web of life that supports millions of species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has a role to play in this intricate ecosystem. It is a complex and interconnected web of life, home to millions of plant and animal species, many of which are still unknown to science. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, with new species being discovered regularly. This rich diversity is what makes the rainforest so unique and vital to our planet's health. Within this verdant realm, jaguars stalk through the undergrowth, their elusive nature a testament to the rainforest's power. These majestic predators are a symbol of the Amazon's untamed wilderness, and their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Pink river dolphins, a species found nowhere else on Earth, patrol the waterways, their sleek bodies a blur of pink against the dark waters. These unique creatures are a reminder of the Amazon's incredible biodiversity and the importance of preserving this natural wonder. And high in the canopy, monkeys call to one another, their voices echoing through the trees. These social animals play a crucial role in the rainforest's ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the forest. The Amazon is a symphony of life, a testament to the power of nature's creativity. It is a place where every sound, every movement, and every breath is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our planet. The Amazon rainforest is not just a natural wonder, it is a vital part of our world, deserving of our respect and protection.
Flowing through the heart of this verdant paradise is the Amazon River, the second longest river in the world. Stretching over 4,000 miles, it winds its way through the dense, lush rainforest, carving a path that has shaped the landscape and the lives of those who inhabit it. Its sinuous course, a lifeline for countless species, supports an astonishing array of wildlife. From the elusive jaguar prowling the riverbanks to the playful pink river dolphins that glide through its waters, the Amazon River is a sanctuary for biodiversity. The river is joined by thousands of tributaries, forming a vast network of waterways that crisscross the region. These tributaries, like veins in a living organism, nourish the forest and its inhabitants, ensuring the survival of this complex ecosystem. These rivers are the lifeblood of Amazonas, providing sustenance and transportation for the people who call this place home. Villages and communities are often accessible only by boat, making the river an essential part of daily life. Fishermen cast their nets into the teeming waters, their livelihoods dependent on the river's bounty. The fish they catch not only feed their families but also support local markets, contributing to the region's economy. Indigenous communities, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the rainforest, navigate the waterways in dugout canoes, their knowledge of the river passed down through generations. This deep connection to the river is reflected in their traditions, stories, and daily practices. And at the confluence of the Rio Negro and the Solimões River, a spectacle unfolds that speaks to the raw power of nature. This natural phenomenon is a testament to the dynamic forces at play in the Amazon basin. Here, the dark tannin-rich waters of the Rio Negro collide with the milky sediment-laden waters of the Solimões, creating a mesmerizing spectacle known as the Encontro das Águas, the meeting of the waters. This striking visual contrast, where the two rivers flow side by side without mixing for miles, is a reminder of the Amazon's unique and powerful natural beauty.
Amazonas is not only a haven for wildlife, but also a sanctuary for some of the most pristine ecosystems on Earth. This vast expanse of lush greenery is a living, breathing testament to the incredible diversity of life that our planet harbors. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate and is home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna. Deep within the rainforest lies Jao National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the largest national parks in Brazil. Spanning over 23,000 square kilometers, this park is a sanctuary for countless species, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The park's remote location and pristine condition make it a vital refuge for wildlife and a living laboratory for scientists studying the complexities of tropical ecosystems. Here the rainforest reigns supreme, its towering trees forming a cathedral of nature. These ancient giants, some of which have stood for centuries, create a dense canopy that shelters the myriad life forms below. The interplay of light and shadow in this verdant world is a sight to behold, as beams of sunlight pierce through the foliage, illuminating the forest floor in a dance of light and life. Giant river otters, their playful nature a delight to behold, patrol the waterways. These social creatures are often seen in family groups, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water as they hunt for fish. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, as they require clean, unpolluted rivers to thrive. While Amazonian turtles, ancient reptiles that have witnessed the ebb and flow of time, bask on the riverbanks. These turtles, some of which can live for decades, are an integral part of the riverine ecosystem. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the waterways, their presence a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in the Amazon. Further north, the Anavilhanas archipelago, a breathtaking collection of over 400 islands, emerges from the Rio Negro. This natural wonder is a maze of waterways and islands, each with its own unique ecosystem. The archipelago is a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon. This vast archipelago, one of the world's largest river archipelagos, is a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped this region over millennia. The constant ebb and flow of the river have created a landscape that is both ever-changing and timeless, a living mosaic of life and water. Its labyrinthine waterways and flooded forests provide a haven for a staggering array of species, from vibrantly colored macaws to elusive jaguars. These creatures, each uniquely adapted to their environment, are a testament to the resilience and diversity of life in the Amazon. The macaws, with their brilliant plumage, add splashes of color to the green canopy, while the jaguars, masters of stealth, move silently through the underbrush, embodying the mystery and majesty of the rainforest.
For millennia, the indigenous peoples of Amazonas have lived in harmony with the rainforest, their lives inextricably linked to its rhythms. Tribes such as the Yanomami, the Ticuna, and the Kayapo have called this place home for centuries, their cultures as diverse and vibrant as the rainforest itself. Their deep connection to nature is reflected in their traditions, their rituals, and their sustainable practices. They are the guardians of the forest, their knowledge of its secrets passed down through generations. Their understanding of medicinal plants, their sustainable hunting practices, and their deep respect for the delicate balance of nature are lessons that the modern world would do well to heed.
Amazonas experiences a humid tropical climate, a symphony of water and heat that fuels the extraordinary biodiversity of this region. The air is thick with humidity, the sun a constant presence even when hidden behind a curtain of rain. This is a land of extremes where torrential downpours can transform the landscape in an instant, swelling rivers and flooding vast areas of forest. But this flooding is not a disaster. It is an integral part of the rainforest's life cycle. During the rainy season, certain areas of the forest transform into varzeas, flooded forests that support a unique ecosystem. Fish thrive in these nutrient-rich waters, while trees adapt to survive for months on end with their roots submerged. The Amazon is a master of adaptation, its inhabitants shaped by the constant interplay of water and land.
Despite its immense size and power, the Amazon rainforest is a fragile ecosystem, vulnerable to the pressures of human activity. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agricultural expansion, is eating away at the rainforest at an alarming rate. Every minute, an area the size of several football fields is lost, its trees felled, its wildlife displaced, its delicate balance disrupted. The consequences of this destruction are far-reaching, not just for the Amazon and its inhabitants, but for the entire planet. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Its destruction not only releases this stored carbon back into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change, but also reduces the planet's capacity to absorb future emissions.
The challenges facing Amazonas are daunting, but there is still hope. Ecotourism is providing a sustainable way for people to experience the wonders of the rainforest while contributing to its conservation. Local communities are working tirelessly to protect their ancestral lands and preserve their traditional ways of life. And around the world, people are waking up to the importance of the Amazon and the need to protect it for future generations. The fate of the Amazon hangs in the balance, but it is not yet sealed. By raising awareness, supporting sustainable practices, and demanding action from our leaders, we can all play a part in ensuring that this extraordinary ecosystem continues to thrive for generations to come.
Amazonas, with its unique ecosystems, its breathtaking wildlife, and its vibrant indigenous cultures, is a stark reminder of the raw beauty and power of the natural world. It is a place where the interconnectedness of all living things is impossible to ignore, where the delicate balance of nature is on full display. If you're fascinated by unique ecosystems, wildlife, and indigenous cultures, Amazonas is a remarkable place to learn about the natural world in its most untouched form. Have you ever visited or thought about exploring the Amazon region? The time to act is now, while we still have a chance to preserve this paradise for future generations.